Now I am going to discuss T ratios of negative angles. T ratios of negative angles. Sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, secant of minus theta equal to secant theta, and cosecant of minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. How did we get? That we will discuss now. It is x-axis xo x dash, it is y-axis yo y dash. It is an origin. You take a P is a point on the circle and it is the standard portion of the ray, and here the angle is theta. If suppose the angle made by it is theta and it is the radius, no? So that's why your ratios are. Now you don't want to draw any triangle because these are the three values we have. It is the standard portion, it is an angle made by the OP with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Then your sin theta is your sin theta value is y by r, cos theta is x by r, tan theta is y by x. Now and it's secant theta and cosec theta and cot theta, their reciprocals, no, reverse will get it. Now observe, we don't want the angle which is in anti-clockwise. Now we want the angle in clockwise. Every time we discuss, it is a reference triangle we have taken. It is the reference angle we are taking. Now it's now draw a ray OP dash, draw a ray or draw a line segment OP dash which makes an angle in anti-clockwise direction, in clockwise direction having same magnitude is denoted by minus theta. Okay, what I done here, OP dash is the construction. OP dash line segment is a construction. How to construct it? Ela construct cheyali nuvu? Here suppose you are taking 30 degrees, in clockwise you also, here also you take it 30 degrees. Now it is in anti-clockwise direction, that's why it is positive, and it is a clockwise direction, so that's why it is a negative. Now you find out the P dash coordinates, then your problem is over. Yes or no? If you are finding the coordinates of P dash, then definitely you get it sin of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta values, definitely you get it. So how to find out it? Coordinates of one.
X comma minus y.
How? How?
Sir, positive y axis, sir, it's perpendicular.
Okay, you have to guess it P dash coordinates, otherwise you have to find out it. So P dash coordinates are x comma minus y. Just I am guessing. I guessed x comma minus y because here angle is same. Here that point P dash is in fourth quadrant. In a fourth quadrant, definitely y coordinate is negative below x axis. X coordinate is positive. So that's why I have written x comma minus y. Again you have doubt. Ikkada x undiga, ikkada x vastadani guarantee enti. Here y is there now. How did we get here y only? Just a sign changed. This point is same. It is the image of a x comma y with respect to x axis. We will discuss now. Observe here, You take a perpendicular. Now join these two. Here you observe it is theta. Just this is the convention. That's why here angle is same. ఇక్కడ 30 degrees ఉంది, ఇక్కడ -30 degrees ఉందని అనొద్దు దయచేసి. నెగిటివ్ ఈజ్ ద కన్వెన్షన్, ఓకేనా, డైరెక్షన్. సో దట్స్ వై అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. హియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద యాంగిల్ same angle for both triangles. See Nana, I have drawn perpendicular here. Just I joined these two. Suppose I am taking here whether 90 degrees or not, how can we decide it? 90 degrees ఉండొచ్చు, ఉండకపోవచ్చు, అంతే కదా. సో ఇక్కడ 90 degrees ఉంటుందని కూడా ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి మనం. సో దట్ at that time PMP dash definitely straight line. So with the help of congruency of two triangles, easily we can find out this angle OMP dash. Observe now, it is the common side for both triangles. Angle is same and it is the radius also same. By SAS criteria, triangle OPM is congruent to triangle OP dash M. Triangle OPM is congruent to triangle OP dash M by which criterion? SAS criteria. So congruency of triangles concept most important here. So by using algebra geometrical concept, easily we can prove each and everything. Not only this 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 270 minus theta, that proofs also we can derive it easily with the help of geometry and especially congruency of two triangles. So by SAS both are congruent to each other. No, definitely their corresponding parts are same. So that's why here PM is equal to P dash M and definitely it is a straight line. Because by congruency corresponding parts are same. No, angle OMP is same as angle OMP dash. So it is 90 degrees. Definitely it is 90 degrees. 90 degrees, 180 degrees. Then definitely it is a straight line. PM P dash is a straight line only, no? So it is a straight line. That's why, and PM is equal to P dash M. So let it be Y. PM value is how much? Y. It is a vertical distance. Horizontal distance is called X, no? So for both OM is same, no? So that's why here OM value how much? OM is nothing but a horizontal distance. Horizontal distance is same for both, no? So that's why it is X. Definitely it is X. And it is vertical distance same and it is the straight line. So this is Y. Definitely it is also Y. But it is, this point is on fourth quadrant. So that's why you get it minus Y. So P dash coordinates you got it x comma minus y. So you got it coordinates, then problem is over. Sin of minus theta value is minus y by r. Minus y by r is nothing but a sin theta. So that's why sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now you observe cos of minus theta. X by cos of minus theta, observe here. Cos of minus theta means x coordinate of a point by radius. What is x coordinate? X only. So your answer is x by r. X by r value, again get it, cos theta only. X by r is nothing but a cos theta, no? Next, tan of minus theta value minus y by x. But y by x value is tan theta. So you get it minus tan theta, its value minus tan theta. Their reciprocals you get it easily. Okay, what is your cos theta cosec theta value? Reciprocal of it, no? R by y. What is cos theta reciprocal? Sec theta. What is it? R by x. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is reciprocal is cot theta. It is x by y. Negative angles also comes like that only. What is it? Your cosec of minus theta is minus cosec only. Sec of minus theta is equal to only sec theta, positive. because it is r by x, no, r by x positive, r positive, so that's why positive. Sec of minus theta over, no, cot of minus theta value is minus cot theta, same as it is. These are the T ratios of the angles which are in clockwise, otherwise T ratios of the negative angles. Now tell me the value of sine minus 300 degrees. What is the value of sine minus 300 degrees? Your answer is sine. Yes, your answer is sine of minus theta minus sine theta, no? Minus sine 300 degrees. What is the 300 degrees value? Sine 300 degrees value?
Minus root 3 by 2 or 6.
Here sine 300 degrees value is minus root 3 by 2. So negative into negative positive, write it root 3. Okay. Secant minus 225 degrees value, tell me. Secant minus 225 degrees. Secant of minus theta equal to secant theta. So here you get it, it is secant 225 degrees only. So 225 degrees, secant 225 degrees value is root 2. Okay, we can find out like that negative angles also.